to get more visibility on Instagram with Instagram Reels. Do you want to get more visibility on Instagram? Keep on watching. Hi, I'm Karma. I help working professionals turn entrepreneurs and scale their business 10x with proven online marketing systems and strategies. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to get more visibility with Instagram Reels, and I'm going to share some really good hacks with you that you can use while you're creating your Instagram Reels. So make sure to stay until the end to get the best hacks for Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels has been a pretty recent feature for Instagram. It's been out since August in the United States, and recently Instagram has been favoring Reels a lot. So that's why it's important if you want to get more visibility, especially if you want to reach the accounts that don't even follow you on Instagram. Make sure to create Instagram Reels. This is the most organic feature, the most organic reach you will get on Instagram. Even with a small account, you can reach thousands and thousands of people. How do I know? Because I've done it myself in multiple accounts, and also my clients have reached so many people and got so much traffic to their profile and to their website through Instagram Reels. So let's talk about some hacks that you can do in order to get more reach on your Instagram Reels. As I always say, content is the king. And with Instagram Reels, it's not about your account size, it's not about really about your hashtags, but it's more of an organic reach. So it is about relevancy, and this is very important that you have quality content. Give value. Always either entertain or inspire or educate. I get asked a lot, Karma, how do we come up with all of these valuable content ideas? Trust me, I know. But this is why if you have a system, you won't have to stress about it again. My number one tip is go to TikTok. Go to TikTok, watch a bunch of TikTok videos. Now, make sure to have a notebook or some type of pen and paper with you where you can write down all the ideas that you like and all the ideas that you can apply to your brand or your niche. I would highly recommend you to keep a notebook for this, because you're going to keep doing this probably every other week. Make yourself a content bank, a bank full of Reels ideas. And the next thing you can do is content batch. I always talk about content batching. So what is content batching? Content batching means that once you have a list of all these ideas, you're gonna spare yourself a day or maybe half a day to record a bunch of different Instagram Reel videos. And as much as you can record within this time, you're gonna draft all of those videos that you recorded. So later on, you can keep posting these videos one by one, maybe once a day, maybe every other day, or twice a day. But it is always great to have a content bank, and it is great to content batch, because if you want to post, if you want to create and post as you go, it is going to be very difficult for you to come up with an idea that is going to be valuable for your audience, also is going to get good reach and good visibility. My next hack is always use a sound. Even if you're speaking on your video, make sure to use a sound in the background, and you can always turn down the volume all the way down to maybe 1%, and they can still hear you clearly. Using a popular sound will help you reach so many more people. Hey, you may even go viral. So how do you know which ones are popular? Well, go to TikTok again, see what's recommended, see what's the ones that you're hearing the most, and you can come up with those on Reels and use it for your Reels as well. Another hack, always use captions on your video. Instagram is designed to be used with volume off. Most Instagram users are still using and browsing through Instagram with volume off. So in order to grab people's attention, put your thumbnail with a nice caption that is going to attract your target audience attention. Next, hashtags. Instagram Reels will allow you to use 30 hashtags on the captions. Now, one thing that most people won't tell you is you can also use 10 hashtags on the video itself, just like you can in the stories. Next hack, comment and like your own Instagram Reels. As soon as you post, within the 10 minutes of you posting the Reels, comment and like your own Reels. Share your Instagram Reels to your story. There you go. Now you have one more story post and your Reels is gonna be seen by more people. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive the latest notifications for my latest videos. I'll be dropping content weekly about online marketing systems and strategies and entrepreneurship. Hope you like this. Let me know in the comments how you like Reels, what's working for you.